30 inches.
Vacation is over. The work never ends.
We came out with this bring your own shovel, hashtag BYOS.
I'm a workaholic. I work anyway. Don't matter to me. I love this job.
My custodian and he needed a little help, so we decided to come together and try to get some people to volunteer to help us.
This is different. And I'm originally from Connecticut, and I'm used to snow.
I was upset and frustrated over all the snow and no place to park and no place to drive, or even with getting around the city. But then I said, all right, you know what, let's take these lemons and make lemonade out of the situation. Let's get some folks for the dig out.
So I have a great affection for the city and just trying to do my little part.
We just do what we do. You know, you have to move the snow. It's nature, you know, so we're going to make the best of it.
I'm part of the community. I'm part of the Waverly team here, so I just wanted to come and help out. It's great to think that we're going to get back to normal soon, and we can dig out, and kids can start coming back to school, and we can get everything rolling again.
In essence, all schools should function like a community school, because it's the communities that really support and really give the schools the photosynthesis that it needs to actually sprout and grow. And so it's nice to see folks really lending a hand to the schools in which they serve.